Pick up a raw pants in my house. How about yourself? Me not raise no Batman in there.
Dog, you have a bathroom? No, me not none.
My youth, stop blowing my phone. You're a terrorist, and I answer my email because you think I'm a big old drama roach.
You do something? But me wait now. Oh, me for wait. Susan thinks me for wait. Me said daily son, so me for wait.
Yo, you ever got a friend that just love touching every fucking thing?
Bumbuckler, you your mother alone and use some styling paper?
Man, make a boy take for me too.
No, but like me.
Yeah! Fuck this! Fuck it! Fuck it!
And that shape is the motor food.
Yeah.
And that's how it looks so.
Reporting live for TVJ News deep down in Cassava Peace where blood clot! Nightman and my police with them. Jah don't know like.
You're from Jamaica, so you know Usain Bolt?
Yeah man, Usain Bolt, I'm a cousin from my auntie sister father side.
I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age. Don't know what.
If you live here, no longer live here.
I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
Ebola!
Now come run, yeah!
Ebola!
Nightman and my police with them. Jah don't know like.
I would blood clot chop you, man. Aching!
No more coke for you.
Can go Florida Supervine too, please? When you allow me alone, see big old language, go on a Florida Supervine now.
What you say? Text me, teacher.
You stupid! What's up, blood?
Fuck. Chucky, me name my food, yeah?
Blood clot! What? When Jamaicans tell you to go clean the backyard, you say, hey, lazy boy, come here. You see this? Come sweep up the yard. Come sweep up the yard. Come.
Swing from me chandelier. You buy none put in ya?
Yo dog, I did she dead. Dead? I'm on the girl gone, but she missing.
Deal. Yes, Simone. The last time me check me bring you come here, who ya call Simone dirty boy?
Jamaican moms be like, hey, don't try me about conflicts I serve me for the next 2 years. And that me I tell you, come on the money.
Yeah, you can't go and run. If you need to Jamaica, I see, with a roast one on the bumbo clot.
Bumbo clot! Blood clot, look at that! Why you hit me today? Stop that, sir.
Tell him for him dirty blood clot. Can't hear you. No? I never hear the first bad word, I'm deaf.
We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. We jumped, never asking why. We
Move your bumbo clot!
You are not.
Pass me the thing pan the sitting. Around the sitting in the sitting. Go get it.
5 in English. My mom is sick. 13 in maths. The teacher can't teach. So I'm to the one here. Everybody feel that.
Sick and tired of Dell. Mac do it. Mac sticker. You know, if you buy the MacBook.
Ooh, Samsung Curve TV. I wonder how much that costs.
Wake up, Kingsley. Hey, boy.
Why is it that me locks can sting other people? Respect. Blood fire.
Can I go to my friend's house? Which friend? What's his name? Him live? What is background? Talk English? Phone number? Credit card? License plate?
Yes. Shut your mouth before me thump you and your blood.
Deal! Yes, mommy. I can ask you again. Going back, I soon call you.
Gonna fuck that special night. Wait, what the fuck? My nigga! What? Her pussy ain't good.
wait. Who are you?
No worry about that. Pussy me that pretty, but they not give me none, so I'm gone.
Girl, it's like a bumble one fish market. Take it. Go and go shower. Go and go shower.
Ah! Bitch!
when you ask your parents for the second time after they said no?
Hey mom, can I go to the mall?
No, please.
Block like you, what me say?
Yo, Mario, I really mash up our pum pum, now. You see how you get push it, baby? I have to put my face up in there.
These struggles of a Jamaican. Me hear mosquito!
Hey, gal, if you stink, you put on some roll on. Gal, I need some roll on, put on some roll on.
Oh, no name after bird, yeah. Boy, you see that one, yeah? Oh, me mama blood clot touch it in the fridge and I put it in there.
I'ma wake up.